I am not Morgan Freeman, and what you see is not real.
The era of spatial computing is here.
Have you ever pondered what the future of reality might look like?
A place called the Oasis.
As we stand on the brink of unprecedented technological advancements, the question becomes all the more relevant. It's an exciting yet perplexing time.
What are you hiding?
So what does the future of reality offer us? Why are companies scrabbling to make this work? Let's find out. What defines reality? The concept of reality can be defined in different ways depending on the context. In general terms, reality refers to the state or quality of being real or existing objectively. In a physical sense, reality refers to the tangible, material world that we perceive through our senses. It includes everything that exists, from the natural environment to physical objects and living beings. This reality is often referred to as the real world or physical reality. However, reality can also be subjective and influenced by our individual perception and interpretation. Our understanding and experience of reality can be shaped by our senses, thoughts, beliefs, and cultural backgrounds. This subjective aspect of reality is often referred to as the subjective reality or perceived reality. It acknowledges that different individuals may have different interpretations or perspectives on what they perceive. Companies like Google, Apple, and Facebook are investing heavily in virtual reality because they recognize its immense potential and the numerous benefits it can bring. Virtual reality has the power to revolutionize various industries, including entertainment, gaming, education, healthcare, and even social interactions. We're witnessing the line between the tangible and the digital blur. The real and the virtual intertwine. Our perceptions of reality as we know it are being redefined. What was once the realm of science fiction is now becoming our living reality. The world as we know it is evolving, and we are evolving with it. We breathe in oxygen and data, we touch surfaces and screens, we inhabit physical spaces and virtual realms. Take a moment to consider the technological marvels that are shaping this new reality. Virtual reality, or VR, immerses us in completely digital environments, transporting us to faraway galaxies or microscopic worlds within the blink of an eye. Augmented reality, or AR, overlays digital elements onto our physical world, turning our surroundings into interactive playgrounds. And then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. It's more than just a tool or a system. It's a burgeoning intellect, a new form of consciousness that's learning, growing, and evolving. It's not just about robots and automation, it's about creating systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially operate autonomously. AI is a reflection of us, of our intelligence, our creativity, and our flaws. But as we hand over more of our lives to these technologies, we must ask ourselves, are we the creators or are we the created? As we mould our reality, is our reality moulding us? These are more than just questions for philosophers and futurists, but for each one of us. The future of reality is a journey into the unknown. It's a journey that we are all part of, whether we realise it or not. It's a journey filled with excitement, wonder, and a fair share of uncertainty. As we delve deeper into this topic, prepare to have your mind expanded and your perspective of reality transformed. But before we look into this, please give us a like. We like it when we get a like. Imagine stepping into a world where the impossible becomes possible. Welcome to the realm of virtual reality, a realm that blurs the lines between physical and the digital, the real and the unreal. Virtual reality, or VR as it's often called, is more than just a buzzword in the tech world. It's a transformative technology that has the potential to change our lives in countless ways. At its core, virtual reality is about creating immersive experiences that transcend the boundaries of physical reality. It's about transporting you to places you've never been, letting you do things you've never done, and making you feel emotions you have never felt. With VR, you can scale the tallest mountains without leaving your living room. can delve into the deepest oceans without getting wet. You can walk on the moon or Mars or any other planet in the solar system or further. You can even journey back to time and witness historical events as if you were there. But VR is not just about entertainment, it's also about education, training and therapy. It's about helping people learn new skills, conquer their fears and recover from traumas. It's about creating empathy, understanding and connection. It's about making mankind better. The potential applications for VR are almost limitless. In healthcare, for example, VR can be used to simulate surgeries for training purposes or to create therapeutic environments for patients. In architecture, VR can be used to visualize building designs before they're built. In education, VR can be used to bring lessons to life and make learning more engaging and effective. Looking ahead, the future of VR looks incredibly exciting. With advancements in technology, we expect VR experiences to become even more immersive, realistic, and interactive. We can expect VR to become a regular part of our lives, just like smartphones and the internet. But as with all technology, VR also raises some important questions. Will it lead to social isolation? Will it cause addiction? Will it replace physical experiences? Could it even alter our perception of reality? Could virtual reality be the key to broaden our consciousness, or is it merely an escape from the real world? Only time will tell. But what if the line between the physical and digital world blurs? Imagine walking down a bustling city street when suddenly a virtual pop-up appears, guiding you towards the next world. Or the nearest coffee shop, or perhaps you're an architect visualizing a building design in its intended location before a single brick is laid. These aren't scenes plucked from a science fiction novel, these are glimpses into the world of augmented reality, a technology that overlays digital information onto our physical environment. Unlike virtual reality, which immerses users in a completely digital world, augmented reality enhances our existing world. It's as though our reality has been given a digital upgrade, a layer of interactivity and information that wasn't there before. Today we are seeing the early stages of VR with smartphone apps that can translate foreign languages in real time, or games that encourage us to catch virtual creatures in our backyard. The potential applications for augmented reality are vast and varied. From education to healthcare, tourism to entertainment, consider the implications of AR in education. Imagine a history lesson where students can interact with 3D models or historical figures, or a science class where complex theories can be visualized and manipulated in real time. Yet, as tantalizing as these possibilities are, it's important to remember that every new technology comes with its own set of challenges. How do we ensure the accuracy of the information presented in augmented reality? Moreover, there is a risk of over-reliance on the technology. We will become so engrossed in our augmented realities that we lose sight of the real world. Will our digital enhancements distract us from physical surroundings, from the people right in front of us? Augmented reality holds the promise of a seamless integration of the digital world into our everyday lives. But will it truly enhance our reality or merely distract us from it? What happens when machines start thinking for themselves? Is a question that resonates in the corridors of the future.
Oh, hell no.
Echoing with both promise and foreboding. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we've come to know it, is no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It has woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, from our smartphones to home assistants to advanced medical diagnosis and data analysis. It's here now and it's growing. But let's not forget, AI is still in its infancy.
OpenAI, the business, was founded in 2015 by Sam Altman and, you guessed it, Elon Musk.
A fledgling technology that is just beginning to flex its digital muscles. It's like a child learning, growing and evolving, but unlike a human child, AI has the potential to surpass our intelligence, to outthink us, to make decisions we may not comprehend.
Let's say I have this problem. I just copy from my homework, I'll paste it, and within seconds, it literally shows you how to do it, says how to do the math, and at the end, the answer is, wait, it's coming. The answer is B. B. And then you can go to the exam, we go to B on number 5. question 5. B.
It's the potential that raises questions and stirs unease. Is AI the future of reality, or is it a Pandora's box? Could it be the key to unlocking a new era of human potential, or solving problems we can't even fathom?
I am not Morgan Freeman.
Artificial intelligence.
It's now pretty much smarter than humans.
Or could it be a threat, a danger to every essence of what makes us human?
This image of an explosion at the Pentagon sent shivers through the stock market before the world realised it was a fake.
There's no denying the benefits AI offers. It's already revolutionising industries, driving innovation, and making our lives easier. But it's also a mirror reflecting our own biases, our own flaws. It's only as good, as fair, as ethical as the data it's fed and the algorithm it's built on. So the question really is not just about what AI can do, but what we allow AI to do. It's all about setting boundaries, creating safeguards, ensuring that this powerful tool serves us and not the other way around. It's about understanding that while AI has potential to redefine our reality, it's us, humans, who hold the power to reshape our future. Artificial intelligence has potential to revolutionize our world. But at what cost? As we stand on the edge of this new reality, we must ask ourselves, what do we want our future to look like? How will we navigate the challenges and opportunities their technology presents? How will we ensure that they enhance our lives rather than diminish them? These are not easy questions, and there are no easy answers, but they are questions we must confront if we are to navigate this new reality with wisdom and foresight. The future of reality is a tantalizing mystery, but one thing is certain: it'll be a journey unlike anything we've ever experienced. And if you've got this far in the video, I know you'll like this video next.
You don't fully understand how it works, and yet you've turned it loose on society?
I don't think we fully understand how a human mind works either.